Yo, how's it going? I hope you're feeling refreshed and that it's not too hot out there. It's been really hot as of late. Hi, Jeremy. Yeah, guys, I added the chat to the stream, so you will see when I'm getting whatever you're writing, alright? But yo, how you doing? Jeremy, I feel like you're speechless or breathless, whichever is it. Okay, what we should do now is... Oh, yeah, switched off, yeah. Sorry, I started a bit later today because I had to reset my controller. I don't know why I disconnected, but yeah. What we're gonna do right now is have 2 Pokemon sent to the daycare just so we can clean some levels while we are doing other stuff. Which Pokemon though? Oof, my party is pretty crap. I guess ACDC and should it be Antedo? Because wow, I just realized that I didn't catch anything useful. Maybe Wishma? Maybe Wishma or Lutad? Yeah, Jeremy, I was making fun of you, but the difference between you and I is that it actually suits me. I actually shaved my head, unlike what you did. What you did was I trim it like very short. I completely refreshed myself. What should I send? Linux, that's useless. Trike to get a manic trick. Not worth it. What should I get? Wait, let me just send... We shall see when yours start growing. Mine, last time I shaved my hair was... my head was last year, at the start of the year. Because I asked my sisters to dye it like black, because it was like kind of blonde-ish. And I was like, I can't wait for it to return to black, so just dye it black. And when they did that, what did they do when they did that? We can raise 2 of your Pokemon. Would you like us to raise? Yeah, please take the Stalo for now, I guess. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, when they dyed my hair, my sisters, and it was just before I had to go back to work, they dyed it. Who's that? Beep, Wally. Oh, hello, ads. I just wanted to tell you that my uncle bought me a Pokénav. Now I can get in touch with you anytime, ads. Click. My internet is garbage, or at least your line super laggy. No idea if it's my internet. Probably is. I guess kind of both, because I put it on ultra low latency. I don't know. Shouldn't be though, my Ethernet cable is plugged in. I don't know. But you know, with that cable thingy. So yeah, my sisters dyed my hair red. Red, yes. And I couldn't go to work like this, so I just shaved it all off like that and went back to work. I don't know how much time it took for it to grow properly, or quite a bit. I guess by March, March. I guess by March it took a normal, it got a normal shape back. I just have that Just Fluffy Boys band haircut. When I got it back, it had a new move that I didn't teach it. I was really surprised. Wow. I think a picture is a very impressive moment you finally joined the movement. Yes, but you know what? I'm gonna do videos tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna shoot a video, which is not gonna come out tomorrow. No, Monday it's gonna come... Well, tomorrow is Monday, dumbass. I'm gonna shoot a video. I'm gonna shave completely too, though, because I need to shave. I don't know, I feel like my stream is laggy too. Maybe I should set it to normal latency, but it's gonna take an hour before I see your messages. So yeah, sorry. I'm going to tag up with my super senior student partner and beat you. Alright. So, what was I saying? I don't even remember. I guess I was talking about my hair, because it's gonna be a topic. Yes, I'm gonna shoot a video tomorrow. Basically, it's gonna be me reading the comments I got from the two laws. No, it's not really the two laws videos, but you know, the one that I did in English completely, the Everybody Chill Corona edition, and the other one, what's the other one? Corona, and there was one before that too. I forgot. There was another one that I spoke about stuff, and people just hated on it. And I think that other one was in Creole, and people still hated on it. So I'm gonna just read out these mean comments, and it's gonna be real fun. With that head, I'm gonna read that. That video is gonna come out on Wednesday. I like it because it's like minimum effort. I don't have to write a script. I just have to record my screen. OBS is there for that, and then just film my reaction. But I'm gonna, which is gonna be in a better resolution than this. Anna, we can't take this lying down. You will come back, won't you? Register Senior Anna, Senior and Junior Anna and Meg in the now. Okay. Wow, riding with that analog stick is not practical. And I'm in the middle of a triathlon. But whatever, let's have a battle. I know, having the chat on the screen like this might not be useful if somebody decides to slur, but why should I finish Emerald as up? ASAP, I mean. I want to take all my time with Emerald. I'm not gonna take all my time with Emerald. That's why I didn't catch like that many Pokemon. Like maybe I really need a good psychic type and a dragon. Dragons, I'll get a lot of them. Emerald is for Pokémon. Of course I'm gonna join for Pokémon. I told you to get T on there because I think I can get S to play that too. Pokemon have to be strong too. I'd like you to train me. Oh, that's so nice. He wants me to train him. That's really nice of him. Do you want to pick the Weepy berries? Yeah, I guess. Also, guys, I was showing that to Jeremy earlier. I'm starting to look for my gear so I can properly do the live streams. And I was looking at the Razer Kaio, I don't know how you would say it. I don't think that anybody knows exactly how to say it except people from Razer. So it's the one with the ring light. Steffi, S is Steffi. She came to talk to me to ask me how to play. Not how to play, but like how the hell am I playing? Because she tried to play it on a DS and it's not working anymore. So I just hooked her up with that. And yeah, that's the thing. If I play Pokémon, I need to have people to play with. Like, I'm not gonna play that alone. Definitely not. I mean, of course I'm gonna have you, dude, but like, the more the merrier. Maybe I should go in the grass more often. Oh, LOL. Elamites. Useless Pokemon. Elamites. Useless Pokemon. Water gun. You shouldn't die from that. Yeah, you're not dying from that. Oh shit, Charm. What was I saying before that? Forgot. I need to catch a good dragon type. Well, yeah, Emerald is the dragon land. Like, they introduced so many of these. Do I have Pokeballs? Yes, I do. They got so many dragon type Pokemon in Emerald, so maybe another reason why it's my favorite gen. And my favorite Pokemon, Rayquaza, is a dragon flying. See, I'm catching trash type Pokemon and listen, could I get you to battle the Pokemon I'm raising? Alright, sure. I feel so much lighter with all the hair, I don't know why. I just shaved because I couldn't see myself. Since I'm not gonna see my barber for a while, I had to do something. And that's the something. And I don't know how to feel about that. That was a one shot. Fantastic. What are we gonna accomplish today? I don't know yet. Let's just see what we can do within 1 hour, because I don't think there's a gym right after. Like, not even anyway, I'm going to Verdant Turf and there's no gym there. There's a Pokemon tent, but I'm not gonna do Pokemon tent in the walkthrough, because my aim is to complete the game, okay? And whatever else we do is bonus. But I'm just gonna try and complete the game, so I can try PokeMMO. Pursuit. Wow, you hit hard. I'm not even taking care of, IV training or stuff, because no deal. Jeremy, can I put you as mod, just so you can approve comments, because I can't keep on approving comments which are like, they're not like offensive or whatever. Another moderator handled it. Wow. So I guess you're already the moderator, Jeremy, right? I guess YouTube just knows. I need to make a good team, but I'm thinking, should we go with... Yeah, I think it's lagging on my side, because now, as I think I only told that to Jeremy, but on the screen, my PC is plugged into the TV, which is not practical, I know, because it's kind of a big TV, and yeah, I'm seeing now that I'm capturing that LMIs. It's been a solid minute. Like, damn. Yeah, Suhail, asking what happened to my head. I don't get what you're saying. What happened to my head? You like? Wait. I'm looking at that the TV screen. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. Jesus, you have Pokemon. Damn, you look more legendary than ever, though. Thanks, bruh. Legend. See, that trainer embodies the problem of having a full team. When you try to level everybody up, nobody gets like out of the pack and there's no real strong Pokemon in your bunch. So far I'm only focusing on these three, the three starters, so that's why they're decent. They're not extraordinary, they should have been way stronger, but again, I'm going to redouble my training. Would you come and look into us? Okay, I did that. Again, I read too fast. The live is super laggy. Yeah, it's super laggy, I'm sorry, like, damn. I don't know why, I guess that's that cable thing, because again, you're on 144p, damn. Because again, okay, I can't switch to normal latency in between stream, I would have to stop it. I'm hooked in the Ethernet, with the Ethernet, so I guess that, within the internet speed, mighty, again, mighty, that's my only explanation. Now I'm seeing that Zigzagoon fight on the screen, that's pretty fucking far. Shit, much won't hit, it's a ground type move, dumbass. However, Peck, and I think that thing can go up to 5 times. Stop! 4 times. What again? I like that route between Mobile and Verdant Turf, because like you get to fight a lot of trainers, and they will level up. Pretty much everyone from this route will. Oh yeah, sorry, I was talking about the gear I was gonna get. So I found the Razer Kyo, that is a webcam that records in 1080, and also it's got a ring light around it. So that could be practical, because I'm done with leaving the lights turned on when I'm streaming. It makes me sweat, and now that I don't have hair, you can see it even better. You appear to be training properly. If you like, I'll battle you later. That's so great. So, what was I saying? The air is tasty here. Okay. Okay, now I just want to battle both of you at once. Let's go. Concentrate on getting the win. That's how I battle. Oh my god, I forgot that I took off. Okay, HM Slave. Isn't it nice to battle while looking at pretty flowers? And if you're looking at me, if you get a ring light, you could also do TikTok. No, I'm not doing TikTok videos. I'm not doing TikTok videos. Did you see what Troy, was it Troy Baker? You know the dude who did like not covers, but parodies of popular songs, mainstream songs. Troy Baker or something something. Did you see what he became? He became a TikTok star and he went to China. And he's living there then. There was a documentary, I think from Vice. He looks depressed as fuck. I'm so sad for him. Damn. I'm not getting any I'm not doing any TikTok anytime soon. So I'm gonna get that. I need to get a headset, but this is optional. Because instead of getting the headset, I wanted to get a headset because there's the inbuilt mic, right? But you know, please don't. Oh my god, that detect worked again. There's that inbuilt mic, so that's pretty practical. I'm having that issue with the mic, right? Because my mic I'm using with my, I don't even know if it's actually working. I think it's not. But it's on my camera, and my camera is not even recording per se. It's just turned on, and I'm capturing the footage. I'm capturing what it's capturing, not capturing, what it's showing to Digicam. So I don't really know. I'll get the Seiren mic from Razer, something else from Razer. So if I get that mic, I don't know if I should get the headset. It's not necessary. What would you say, Chad? I don't think it's necessary if I get that. And I also saw that there is a capture card from Razer too. Forgot the name, but there is one. And shit, I was right about that. I slack off from my team, and now I don't have any HM save. So I'm gonna get a new one. Ninkada is still with me. Yes, it is. I think the mic on your earphones work. I can hear it when you touch your earpiece. Yeah, I guess that's what's capturing audio. Yeah, you're right. Should be the mic. Should the move be deleted to be replaced with cut? Yes. I don't really know what we're gonna accomplish today. I think it's a chill Pokémon stream today, because there's not much we can do. We're gonna progress, of course, but like not in a spectacular way. So yeah, if I get that mic, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the mic, but the Seiren seems pretty good. I get that I won't get the, I don't know, maybe I should get the headset, because it's LED lighted, it's red. If you know me, you can see the background that I use and my chair. Green is my favorite color, but red, black, and gold is my aesthetic. So yeah, might not get the headset. I'm gonna see because I also wanted to go into podcasting, so I need the mic. Hello, how are you today? Hey, but it's not too bad for my age. Yeah. So let me demonstrate the power hidden within Pokémon. So yeah, I saw the capture card, so if I get it, it's gonna be to capture from the PS4, obviously. Because I'm not seeing myself recording on the PC. I mean, all the games, except for Pokémon. If I do stream Pokémon. Because at some point I might just want to play video games just to play video games. Player defeated Psychic Brandy, astonishing. Do we register? No, we don't. I bet you have 6 Pokemon too. Please allow me to evaluate if I've raised your Pokemon properly. Yeah, that's 5. It's pretty nice to level up and to grind a bit. Because they're gonna, yeah, she does have, that's a Pokemon breeder, of course she would have that many. Oh shit, I didn't even read. I just used a water gun on it. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I guess my special attack is pretty high. As I said, I'm not AV training, so whatever I'm using that. Not gonna use full sight. Critical fainted. Medsport. If I recall, it negates to raise electrical defense. It's not worth it because I'm already immune to that, and this only serves in double battles. So, although there's a lot of double battles, but not really worth it. Diablo, good. Come back. Go Dio. Though Dio is my starter, my real starter, and Mudkeep and Trico were found in the wild, totally legitimately. It's definitely my Mudkeep, which is gonna reach final evolution sooner. It's got way too many, not too many, but way more. I didn't even read which Pokemon is coming up next. It's got way more affinities with the rest. Oh shit, I should have switched. Okay, fat piece of lard. Blue Pikachu looking motherfucker. Even these earphones are dying. I got them with my... That's a Goldeen, right? I got them with my phone, and I got my phone close to 2 years ago now. So... yeah, I'm leaning one side because the other is broken. It's not to act as if. It's not to be cool. It's because the other one is broken. That's the only reason. That is super effective. It really is a chill session because I can't see myself beating a gym today. Wait, I just have to reply to this. Shroomish. Just gonna burn that bitch. Like somebody said yesterday, it's gonna be burnt mushrooms. That's psychedelic, isn't it? Anyone who uses psychedelic, who not being ironic, non-ironically using psychedelic, is a sign of you being a dickhead. Like, Jesus fuck, what a waste of human flesh you are. Skitty! You can use the experience. So yeah, as I said, I want to start podcasting, but I don't know what would I be talking about. I just like the format of it. Damn. Yeah, it's not gonna do much. Player defeated breeder Lydia. Yes, we are growing properly. Thanks. I really need you to tell me that. I'm glad I met a super trainer in you. I hope to see you again. I just Pokemon breeder Lydia in the book and a half. I think I can fight you, yes. Bug catcher. Okay, I'll have to beat the first Pokemon and switch real quick then. Already 25 minutes. Time does fly when you're playing Pokemon. I forgot what Foresight did. I think it just... What does it do? So you tried it on your phone, Jeremy? Pokémon. Shit. Okay, it only does 2 damage, wow. I did download it on my phone. I have yet to transfer the ROMs to it. I really want to get into it as soon as I'm done with Emerald. Yeah, for 2 damage. Okay, a bit more than 2 damage. It was like 4, wasn't it? I'm sorry guys, my internet connection is pretty crap today. I don't know why. As I said, I'm plugged in. Beautifly. Dio would be much more helpful. Like Maniac, Derex, and our Butterfly. Beautifly, sorry. These are the evolutions of Cascoon and Duskoon. Duskoon? Was it the right name? I'm pretty sure we'll register him too. No, okay. Yeah, it has good UI unlike emulators. Yeah, I'm sure it does. Like, seems like people actually spend time working on that Pokémon memo. They spend the energy to make it actually decent. Is there anything rare we can get around here? Maybe I should try fishing, do you think? I already have a good water type Pokemon, I don't want to. We're gonna be minimalistic. I want everyone in my team being useful for the Elite Four battle. And maybe I'm gonna catch Rayquaza. Because of course you meet him at level 70, so it's really useful when you go against the Elite Four. Or maybe, tell me, should I or shouldn't I go with a legendary towards the Elite Four? Maybe you think I should just use I should just build a team for the 84, because a legendary, it's not like cheating, but it's like you're making things way easier for yourself. Because Rayquaza can roll through the first two of Elite Four. The first one is Dark type, the second one is Ghost type, so they're not very effective against Rayquaza. And particularly when it's still got Outrage. And then after that, then you have Glacia, who's Ice type, and then it's dangerous for Rayquaza. Shit. Ooh la. That was rough. I'm gonna kill you, Oddish, because I'm thinking I'm not gonna... I don't have any use for an Oddish. So yeah, Glacia becomes hard. After Glacia there's Drake, the Dragon type trainer. And Dragon is weak against its own type, so he might be rough, but still, level 70, so he can pretty much handle it. After that, the final one is Wallace, or Wallace, whatever way you use to pronounce it. And he is, it's water, yeah, he's water type, but some of them are like water dragon, but most of them know at least ice beam, so I'm thinking I should build a proper team. You tell me, should I get the legendaries, or the only one you can get before the Elite Four is Rayquaza. Growl, Kyogre, you can get them afterwards. You can get everyone, but you have to, like, you know. Where could I get Rock Smash? Should be one of these. I should talk to people. Far away, deep in Evergrande City is a Pokemon League. The trainers who gather there are all frighteningly well skilled. You see, they are even called, the league is even called Evergrande. In the Pokemon League, I think the rules say that you have to battle the Elite Four all in a row. If you lose to any of them, you have to begin your challenge again from the first one. Wow. Rough. But where the winds blow, volcanic ash is never in this direction. The air is clean and delicious here. Living here should do wonders for even frail and sickly people. Just do whatever that will get you on the Pokemon Morphostes. Okay, Jeremy, I will. Let me see your Pokemon, I'll check to see how much it likes you. Oh, your Pokemon likes you quite a lot. It seems to want to be babied a little. Really? How can I baby you? Now it's time for the name rater. Shall I tell you your Pokemon's fortune from the nickname you bestowed? Advice what I have to give, and it is helpful advice what I offer. Today I showed you a reading of a nickname ACDC of ads. Pokemon Slacker. This is a nickname. This nickname is a nickname that hints at talent in many different ways. I urge this trainer to take courage and take on many challengers. The nickname's ACDC is rooted by the letter S. A letter is supported by the first letter E, which gives it a solid sense of presence as a nickname. I must say that ACDC is quite a good nickname. I hope that the trainer will continue to treat ACDC with love. I flogged it to the daycare. That's it for today's show. May we meet again? Let's see. This house is Wanda's house. Wanda. Who is Wanda? Oh, I think it's Wally's house. My daughter's boyfriend is a very driven and passionate sort of person. He's been digging a tunnel non-stop just so he can see my daughter. My daughter's a little confused, so he goes out to the tunnel a lot. No, it's not Wally's house then. Uncle, oh, no, it is Wally's house. Wally's next door, but boy, there's something I have to tell you. This natural environment is doing wonders for Wally's health. Maybe it's not just the environment, it could be the Pokemon that are giving the boy hope. I hope so. Wadi, I lost to you ads, but I'm not feeling down anymore because I have a new purpose in life. To get over my roles, I'm going to challenge Pokemon gyms and become a great trainer. Please watch me ads. I'm going to be stronger than you. When I do, I'm going to challenge you to have a battle. Fingers crossed, kid. Fingers crossed. This is the battle 10th thing. Da, 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 da. Elamize. We're gonna run from this. There's no point in doing that. Sorry, my PC is lagging to that. That's because I'm capturing from... And I'm using Google Chrome as browser, so that's definitely not helping. It eats so much RAM, I don't know why. Let's go here. If I had a bike, it'd be easy to say for some shopping. I'd be able to buy half a mil of one and that. Yeah, cool. There's a Pokeball in the wild, yeah. Found an X speed. No, can't go further. Woohoo! I hear people call me the Rock Smash guy, but I find that sort of degrading. I think I deserve a bit more respect, like maybe Rock Smash dude. Anyways, your Pokemon look pretty strong. I like that. Take this hidden machine. Yes, it is. Obtain version 06. Rock Smash. If you come across large boulders that block your path, well, use that HM move and smash them right out of your way. Yes, sir. Smash rocks aside. Say woohoo! Move, bitch. Get out of the way. Double fight. The Aroma flowers has magical power. It cleanses us body and soul. Go, go, go! Pokemon 1, 2, 3. Is that 3 Pokemon then? Or is he talking about the 3rd gen? Aroma Lady Rose and youngster DeAndre. Whoa, you're a bit light skinned to be called DeAndre. Aren't you? Go Diavolo and Dio. So I'm gonna use Metrota on you and Ember on you. Imagine you win a double Pokemon battle, but you only have like 1 Pokemon and your partner has like 3. First round, your Pokemon gets taken out. Your partner's Pokemon doesn't. Are you stuck? Even if they lose their first Pokemon and their second Pokemon, you have to still wait. Are you stuck? Or you're not allowed to live, like, Jesus. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna use Metrot on you. Ah, it was still super effective. Fine. That's why actually Pokemon don't grow up that fast and required size usually needed in this game. Because you have a lot of dual battles and double battles. When you do these, both your Pokemon don't get the chance to like level up that fast because they're sharing all the XP. Plus if you're using experience share, it's like everyone's getting only a third. So that's why. Shit. I'm good with that. Super effective. Still, DeAndre. Oh dear me, I seem to have lost. Come in, Pokemon. Are you okay? Pokemon 1, 2. Oh, that's okay, Rain. Sniff, sniff that odor. It's a Pokemon. We must register each other. Registered, my lady Rose. Even if there isn't a boat, you can cross rivers on the sea if you have a Pokemon that knows surf. Pokemon can be counted on to do so. Dun, 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 dun. Let my melody rock your soul. Alright. Go Diavolo. Okay, we are leveling up with that shot. that mud shot. It's super effective. Magnemite fainted. Level 26. 10 more levels, guys. 10 more levels. I'm gonna switch. Of course, really won't get that much of a chance to level up because I'm thinking the next 3 gym leaders are not gonna be weak against him. Really not. And Emerald's gym leaders are very diverse. They're not just like fire, water, ground, stuff. They all have like a good mix. They all have like double type Pokemon, so make sure that it's not that easy for you. When I compose better melodies, you have to come listen, okay? So they force you to actually build a good team. Emerald really is the perfect Pokemon game. Oh, hi ads, this is Isabel. How are you doing? Good. You should go home every so often though. Bye bye. Okay. For fishermen, equipment is the key, but for trainers, the key ingredients are Pokemon and heart. Of course. If you got heart and soul, you can rock and roll. Oh, tentacle. Shit, I should switch. Please don't use a poison type move. Okay. I don't even know what type Constrict is. Okay. It's gonna be a spam battle. Shit. Confused. Of course he's confused. Cause use Absorb. Ooh, that was a critical. One more when we're done. If the gods of Pokemon are with me, that is Arceus. Arceus, I don't know how you say that. I won't hit myself. And I hit myself. Thanks. There really is no god. And he is a poison type, which was super effective, but not venom. And now he's poison. Great. I'll have to go to the Pokemon Center now. Oh, again? I just need one move to connect. Shit. I need but one move to connect. Shit. Please. Yes, good, great. But I think it's gonna die while we're going to the Pokemon Center. For Tentacool had its energy drain. Great job, Cars. You are indeed the ultimate life force. Found one hotel. See, I still remember these little things. Yeah, Cars fainted. Also, you might hear it, but my camera shutter just closed and open again because after some time, I guess after every 10 minutes, it does that. The Digicam does that, resets the shutter. Also to refocus on my face, but it has to do that. So, you get it. So I really need that webcam. Okay, HM Slave. Wait. Electrike could be a good HM Slave. Can it learn Rock Smash though? I guess Puchiyena can, but can Electrike do that? For the long run, I would be needing an electric type. Let's look at its stats. I can't look at stats here. Doesn't matter. Just gonna take it out. Give it a Rock Smash if it can. If you can't, Puchiyena is coming with us. Put it up an HM. You can't, you're going back to the box. If I have kids, I'm gonna treat them like that. Treat them like that. You can't do that? Okay, back to the box. I am a horrible human being. I'm also gonna do something, since that lady was mentioning how her daughter's boyfriend was trying to dig up a tunnel to come and see her. Let's go and see if we can help him with that, since we got a rock smash now. Might as well give that to my Poochyena, because my Hyena is a pretty good Pokemon. Well, not stat-wise, but it's just good to look at and have in your party. What do you call it wild up in the mountains? Mountain man, right? So why don't they call it Pokemon in the mountains and mountain? Because we have types. It would be racist. So Jeremy is telling me that still not. Let me check. Let's check if there's an issue with it live. Yeah, on my phone it's updating. My phone, I just saw that Jeremy asked if I'm coughing. Well, it's working on my phone. I just saw that. Oh, you mean my live chat? Yeah, you're right. I don't know why it stopped. Let me see. Pop out chat toggle timestamp. Well, there isn't really anything I can change with this one. I don't know why, but what the fuck? On my phone it's displaying. Yeah, this live stream is gonna be a bit long, won't it? Let me send that to Jeremy real quick. Now I'm thinking about it, Jeremy just asked if I'm coughing. No, absolutely not. I'm in perfect shape, touching my face even. Now I don't know where my hairline starts or ends, for this matter. Yeah, therefore, yeah, definitely. Definitely this internet. Fucking mighty tells you that they're gonna make sure that everybody has access to the internet throughout this confinement. And their cable is broke. Well, I know it's not their fault if the cable is damaged, but like, it happens way too often, man. How come that thing be broken every 2 weeks? Sorry guys, really, today we're not gonna make a lot of progress with the story. It's just doing miscellaneous things. Well, Pursuit did fine, but not enough. Focus energy. I don't have a move that will flinch it, but wow, even worse. Can't wait to get a proper grass type like Leaf Blade. I think when it evolves for a final form, you get Leaf Blade, it gets Leaf Blade. I'm not sure though. True. Player defeated Hiker Mike. Ran out of power. hate being in a cave or a tunnel, like it's... so many rodents. I know it's good for grinding and all, but I just don't like it. I'm trying to remember where that cave leads to actually, that's why I'm using that route. Oh, okay. I dropped my glasses, can you help me find them? There's a small indent in the wall. Do you want to put your penis in? I forgot where this dude's glasses are. Sorry, I'm not gonna waste time looking for him. I know I've got the item finder and he's trended away, but this dude is gonna stay there, I guess. Yep, he's gonna stay there for a while. I didn't tell you to wear glasses. That's very bad. Da 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 da. Damn, the internet today is just terrific. And I've got a 50 megabytes per second connection, and I'm hooked to it. So it goes to say, this rock appears to be breakable. Let's use rock smash. Wow, you shattered that boulder blocking the way. To show how much I appreciate it, I'd like you to have this HM. Obtain the HM04. Strength. Put the HM04. What is it? That contains strength. Yes, if a muscular Pokemon were to learn that, it would be able to move even large boulders. Wanda, now I can see you anytime. That's wonderful. Please, take some rest at my home. Rest? We're gonna rest? We're gonna rest on these nuts? Back again with dirty jokes. And since we are not being productive today, I guess we're gonna really complete this playthrough on the hour mark. Let me show you how I can fail at that too. A max effort. The effort, I think, replenishes your PP. It gets your PP back to its normal shape, which is very big. So since we can't surf, we're gonna go up north. Hello and welcome to the Pokémon Center. Restore your... why am I reading this? Thank you for waiting. We restore your Pokémon to full health. We hope to see you again. Double battle. Yeah, should be fine. This is my favorite kind of Pokemon. Show me how to put a little excitement into my life. Well, you should go with Wanda and her boyfriend so they can show you how to rest at their house. Camper Tyrone and Aroma Lady Selena and our Rosalia and Sandshrew. It's fine. Should have had cars though, just so you could get the XP. It's super effective. Should I keep that experience share on that Puccina? Cause like, wow, you survived. And you got to stand my Pokemon now, great. I don't want to go back to the Pokemon Center. Yeah, I guess it would have been kept stunned. No, actually I think Dio is already faster than Diavolo. Lucky learns Sand Attack. Emperor Tyron and Aroma Lady Selena were defeated. Wait, did you get a good look at my Pokemon? Not really, it fainted pretty fast. Oh my, that was too much excitement. Let's see if in my bag I got a Paralyzed Heal. I do, I only have one. It's fine. I just don't want to go back to the PC. Double battle again. Oh fuck, I forgot to remove that experience share. Did you come from Mobile? Then you should be full of energy. When you're as famished as I am, there is no room for pity. Okay, maybe you should not camp out there and actually go and have food. Picnica Bianca and Kindler hate and want to battle. Picnica Bianca are now Shrimish. And okay, once again, good matchup. Water gun on the Numel and Ember on the Shrimish. So glad, bitch. Super effective. Super effective again. Picnica Bianca and Kindler Hayden were defeated. Oh la la, that's a lot to take. Okay. Grown. Okay. That's how you communicate, my dude. I just found one elixir. Elixir. Our family's hearts beat as one. The Wind Street House. Hello, I take it you're a traveler. How's this? What do you say to taking on our family of 4 in a series of Pokemon battles? Like the Elite 4. It's pretty good. What's the spirit? I like you. What's good training? Winstrade Victor would like to battle. Winstrade Victor sent out Tato. Go Diavolo! Oh yeah, by the way guys, I started watching Pokemon Sun and Moon. Yeah, watching the anime cartoon with Ash. I don't know, I just thought like I was watching, looking at the coming up next on my Netflix, and they said that the third season of Alola, not Alola, Sun and Moon is coming. I was like, might as well. I'm neck deep into that as well. I haven't watched anything since what I was watching was when they were in Hoenn. That's a long, that was like Battle Frontier, so that's a long time back. Damn, that's like 2010? I wasn't even in college at that time. And some of you were not even born. I think it's gonna take us far enough, and after this fight, I'm gonna this row of battles, I'm gonna close that stream. Oh my god, that Sun attack worked, didn't it? Quick attack, critical hit. Lucky game. Player defeated Winstrade Victor. Ah yeah, you're a lot tougher than I expected. Winstrade, where did I hear this name? Hey all, I've found a pretty strong trainer. Oh my goodness, aren't you young? You must be quite the trainer to beat my husband though. Really? It's my turn to battle now. Winstrade Victoria, okay, Victor and Victoria would like to battle. Winstrade Victoria, so now Roselia. Shit. It's fine. Bide. Hit me, bitch. Okay, thanks. Fuck, it didn't work. Shit. Oh my god. I hope this bite is gonna hit back real hard. Yes, it did. I'll beat you, bitch. Player defeated Winstrade Victoria. Yeah, but that's from the next battle. I'm gonna have to switch. Oh gosh, I can't get over how strong you are. Add a 680 for winning. But a strong trainer here. This one's really strong. You're stronger than mommy. Wow, but I'm strong too. Really? Honestly. Honestly. Winstrade Vivi would like to battle. Winstrade Vivi sent out Mario. Yes, with 16 HP, it's not gonna do well. I'm just gonna switch. Oh, Marill use defense curl. I'm gonna absorb that bitch. Blue Pikachu looking ass motherfucker. And it even missed. Lucky you. Oh, Marill had its energy drained. Oh, Marill fainted. Yes, I'm gonna switch for Diavolo. Hopefully you don't die to something stupid like, I don't know, a bite. I don't think Numel can bite. That would be funny that camels can bite, can't they? Yeah, that was enough. Player defeated Rinstraight Vivi. Ha, did I just lose? Yes, you did. This stinks, Snivel, Grandma! You're crying. How dare you make my granddaughter cry? She wanted to fight, it wasn't my fault. Gender equality, bitch. For that I'm going to smack you, prepare to lose. Sorry, but I'm not into MILFs. Or mature, I don't know how you want to be called. Winstraight Vicky would like to battle. Winstraight Vicky sent out Meditite. Go Diavolo. Shit, now I'm gonna die. Yeah. Thanks, fuck. Kept going and crashed. Oh my god, he used a move, he missed me, but he kept going and crashed into a wall and fainted. That was lucky. Player defeated Winstraight Vicky. Qua! Strong, my granddaughter was right. I've got 720 Poké Dollars. If you're not in any hurry, visit us a while. Okay, I'm gonna do that real quick then. You're the first trainer I've seen who deploys Pokemon to master fully, but I should tell you, my son is stronger than you. Even to the Pokemon League Challenge, I'll have you know. Great. Mommy is stronger than Daddy, I'm stronger than Mommy, and Grandma is stronger than me. But my big brother is even stronger than Grandma. We use this Macho Brace to more effectively strengthen our Pokemon in training. Since you've beaten all of us here, I don't know if you need it, but we would like to have our Macho Brace. Okay, I'm gonna see what I can do with that. When it comes to Pokemon battles, we tend to be pretty passionate. I saw that. There's no question that you're strong, but if you would battle my grandson, you'd end up crying in frustration. He's much stronger than any trainer our family knows. He must be challenging the Pokemon League champion by now. Knowing my grandson, he could be the champion already. And we're gonna close this today. It was a real chill session, like, there was no real end goal, there was no gym leader. Promise, tomorrow there'll be something? Something? I don't even remember if there was something, but we'll see. Alright? I'll see you tomorrow. Usual, stay safe. Thanks for having been with me for 1 hour here. And today it's really 1 hour instead of what we usually have. But until tomorrow, same time, same place, still no hair. See ya. Yo.